Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to share screen with Google AI. All you need to do is come to the Google AI Studio and then you can click on Use Google AI Studio, click on Try Gemini, and then here on the left hand panel you'll actually see an option that says Stream. So click here on Stream and then just click on Share Screen. Before that you can choose your run settings, but I'm okay with those, so I'll click on Share Screen. And then you can choose what you want to share. So you can decide to share your, one window, your entire screen, for example. So I'll click on share entire screen. If you want to share a specific tab, you can do that as well. Then click here on share. Then you can let Google AI Studio also use your microphone. Just click on allow while visiting site. Now, as you can see right here, the stream is live, okay, with Google AI Studio, and you can go ahead and use this for your needs. It's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.